مرحبا وأهلا وسهلا فيكم. I wanted to speak to you today about why you are not learning and speaking Arabic so far. Many students come to me and they have spent years trying to learn on their own, or maybe they've had formal education through a college, or maybe they've had lessons even with a tutor, but they are still unable to speak and they're not confident. What's the problem? The problem is mainly if you've studied probably formal or standard Arabic, in reality, in real life, that's not what natives speak. As you know already, if you're in this group or if you're following my YouTube channels, you know that spoken Arabic is different. So if you're learning to communicate, to speak with other natives, you need to learn some spoken Arabic. You've done some standard Arabic, that's a plus, that's amazing. You know how to read and write now, and you know a lot of basics. So the next step is getting on with spoken Arabic. The second issue is maybe you've had lessons with someone, and not saying that everybody is, there's lots of amazing and excellent tutors out there, but what happens is a lot of the times they're following a textbook rigidly, page to page. They're not focusing on speaking and conversation as much as they should. They're just kind of like ticking the boxes. And because they have to tick certain number of boxes, what happens is, like, let's say you're paying for a lesson, and for that 60 minutes or 50 minutes, depending on how long the lesson is, they're actually kind of lecturing you. You're not as interactive as you should be. So if you find that they're doing most of the speaking and you're not the one who is actually doing most of the speaking, that means you're not really benefiting. You're just sitting there. You'll find that your progress, you might be listening wise, writing wise, you're more advanced, but speaking wise and conversation wise, you're still not confident. And I know it's acceptable to still make mistakes, even at like a high intermediate level and advanced level. You'll still make mistakes. That's perfectly fine. I mean, I consider myself to be advanced at English. I still make some mistakes, but that doesn't stop me from communicating fluently and getting my idea across. And that's what you want to aim for when you're learning Arabic. So when you join for my program, I've created this program specifically for communication and speaking. You are supported in every way. First of all, you can learn anywhere, anytime, laptop, mobile. You can learn through the mobile app as well. It's easily accessible anytime. So the video lessons are already there with the quizzes, with all the notes that you need. As you know, getting your hands on resources in spoken Arabic, that's really rare, and getting your hands on quality, trusted resources, that's even more rare. So you know you're getting good quality resources and books, and you've got the video lessons. So when you go to the weekly conversational meetups or lessons, we are not wasting time on explaining things that are basic or things that you can do on your own thanks to technology. So you can watch the lesson on your own, you can study, you can go through the quizzes and so on. And then when we're meeting up for your lesson, we are just conversing and applying and learning. So you're getting 100% worth your money and your time, and you're actually applying in real life. So all the conversational meetups are basically about communication and real life scenarios, role plays, and situations. So it's not just you sitting there and with your earphones in and just listening and maybe being asked one or two questions, tick, 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 and that's it. So it's actually a real life conversation, smoothly flowing, I'm going to be taking notes for you. Any notes, I can send them after the lesson, so you don't have to worry. You're just focusing on speaking. Plus, apart from the weekly lessons, which will be about conversational topics, you will get access to a private chat group on Telegram. Why I chose Telegram and not WhatsApp, because you can actually hide your number, so you can hide your personal details. You don't have to share your number with anyone. There's more security over there. There's a higher level of security. We chat every day. It's a community, small community of learners. I don't overdo the number of learners in the group, otherwise it's too much. But there's like small groups, so you're going to be in a group with a limited number of learners. I like to keep the groups small for that reason, for maximum benefit. And each day I will send maybe some tips, resources. I will encourage you to speak. So what students share, they speak about what they've been doing through the day, what they plan to do. We speak about things that are happening, like football, like maybe the environment, like music, favorite team, favorite music, food. We actually use the language. We're speaking the language the way you would normally chat and speak to your friends, to your family, with your own native language. So that's the whole point. It's informal. You're learning, you're having fun, you're chatting, and we're all in the same boat. And nobody's there to like make fun of you or point out your mistakes in a negative way. You're just getting professional feedback one-on-one. So anytime you post something, I'm there to back you up and support you and to help you learn and move on to a better place at your speech and learning. Apart from that, so you've got the weekly lessons, you've got the Telegram support every single day, regardless what time it is, because there's 24 hours and I do pop in throughout the day and chat and follow up. So no matter where you are, 24 hours, I will catch you at some point and I will reply back to you. Same thing with the weekly lessons. At the moment, I've got like different timings. I try to ask everybody and see what time is good for everyone. And even if it's just one person, I will run the lesson, because I want my students to talk and I want them to benefit. So if, let's say you've got certain circumstances and you can't make it, I will try my best to fit you in. Or even if I have to, I will set a personal meeting with you to make sure that you're practicing your speaking at some point. So that's really important. And I think you will not get this level of support anywhere else. You're getting tons of video lessons and eBooks. If you look at other programs, maybe somewhere, it's the number of lessons or minutes that you're getting is very limited. You're not getting the same quality. You don't know even if they're like a proper teacher, if they're qualified at teaching, if they're qualified at teaching Arabic and so on, the level of experience. But when you come to me, you know that you're coming to someone who's qualified, who's experienced, and who's helped so many students before. So I know how to help you and how to support you. Plus, you're getting the lessons and you're getting the daily support. So you could go and pay for a tutor every week for a lesson, which you might waste most of the time by just ticking the boxes and going through things that you can do yourself. Or you can attend my weekly lessons and just converse, and you would have done the homework or the learning in your own time before the lesson. And you'll also get the daily chat service, which I'm always daily there for you to help you and support you, because I want you to succeed and I want you to speak Arabic. So my quality assurance is that my students love the program and they're happy about it. And I'm getting amazing feedback and they're very, very satisfied. So that's my main goal, is getting you to speak and getting you to be really happy about where you are with regards to your learning and conversation. If you have any questions, we can always set up a call if you're unsure how things work, if you think you're not very good with technology, it's very simple and straightforward. I can help you and guide you through when you join the group. I can send you a private message and I will let you know how to go navigate and go through the program and advise you how to move forward. So if you think this is something for you, drop me a comment, or preferably an email, so we can have a chat, or you can just go to the website and go through everything and choose your course, the one that you think is suitable. At the minute, there's 2 bundles. One is for beginners, and the other bundle, it covers everything, beginners to higher intermediate. So it's up to you what you want to choose, what you want to pick. So why just pay for one-on-one lessons when you could have all this this amazing actually library to learn Lebanese, all those resources, plus the daily chat, plus the weekly lessons. So you've got everything. You've got so much in this program, a lot of bonuses, a lot of pluses. So it's made to cover you, to cocoon you, and to support you from all sides to work on your communication skills. So just head to the website and choose what you think is best for you. And you can sign up for a meeting if you feel that you need to ask questions and inquire. Thank you.